Hey guys, welcome to another Quickstart tutorial video for the FrenschPress. This time we're gonna have a look at the timecode functionality of the FrenschPress. It's pretty easy to use. You have to set the FrenschPress on the web interface to control mode custom, and you already have a preset in the preset list which is called TC Master Clock. You don't have to install any plugins, it's already there by default. And you click apply, you choose set A, apply, and it will be there for you for your convenience. You press play, the timecode is running, a green flash will show you the timecode is running. You can pause it, you can scroll from one fast forward and backward, and you can restart from there. You can stop and reset it, and that's all there is for timecode, which is pretty handy if you test some light shows, you are programming for yourself and the audio engineer is already gone, so you can start your own timecode there. Fast forward, rewind, have a look at your cues if they are working or not. A pretty handy feature, and I use it a lot. And yeah, you're gonna play with it and have a nice time. So the second way to use the timecode functionality with the FrenschPress is a more custom one. So we're gonna apply an empty preset, apply it, yes, so all get deleted. And what we can do now, we add a MIDI macro. We're gonna go to timecode. Since this is the stop button, I assign stop and create and assign and call it stop. Oh, no, stop. And for the go button, I want to have the timecode starting at a specific time. So I go to MIDI macro, I choose MTC, I choose start, and I want to start it at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And I want it to stop by itself at 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So I set 15 seconds, I set create and start, we call it start 10 to 15, save it, and if I press now my play button, you see it starts at 2:10 and will stop at 2:15. That's all there is. So you can add your custom timecode usage. You can stop it at a specific time, start it as a specific time. You have 3 different timecodes on your buttons. You can scroll and rewind, forward, whatever you want to do. It's a pretty handy tool, and yeah, have fun with it, and I wish you a nice one, and I'm gonna see you in the next.